Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to iron hair for men. First, ensure your hair is completely clean and dry before you begin. This prevents steam damage and ensures a smooth finish. Next, generously apply a quality heat protectant spray from roots to ends. This crucial step shields your hair from the iron's heat. Finally, select a flat iron with ceramic or tourmaline plates, as these distribute heat more evenly and reduce frizz. Now, let's move on to the technique. Divide your hair into small, manageable sections, ideally about 1 inch wide. This ensures every strand gets proper attention. Take one section and, using a fine-tooth comb, guide the flat iron slowly and steadily from root to tip. Avoid stopping in one spot to prevent creases. For a sleek finish, pass the iron through each section just 1 or 2 times. Once you've ironed all sections, let your hair cool down completely. This allows the hair to set in its new, straightened shape. Then, you can apply a small amount of your preferred styling product, like a light pomade or serum, to add shine and provide a flexible hold. Remember to use a light touch and avoid overbrushing, which can reintroduce volume or frizz. Here are some extra tips for maintaining your look. Always use the lowest effective heat setting for your hair type. Fine hair needs less heat than thick hair. Regularly clean your flat iron plates to prevent product buildup, which can snag your hair. For overnight care, consider sleeping on a silk pillowcase. This reduces friction and helps keep your hair smooth and straight until your next wash.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.